What up, crew? Welcome to another challenge video, and today I'm going to see how many judo flips I can do in 60 seconds. So, let's do it. Okay, here we are. The time is approaching. For those of you who don't know, judo flip is a move created by Franco Pasquale, and I think it may be one of my favorite one-handed flourishes. So, let's go ahead and get warmed up. For those of you who don't know judo flip, I would 100% highly recommend learning it because it's just so cool. I love doing it. All right, that's what it looks like. And just to let you know, I have been practicing this move for the past week consistently. So if I do well, you know where I got that from. Practice. But seriously, it may not be a super easy move to pull off consistently. I think I may have a little bit of trouble on there. Honestly, if I can do like 20, if I can do 20 of these, I'd be pretty happy with myself. So let's just do a few trial runs right now. That's one. See, getting set back up for it, I think that's where most of my time is going to go. If we can figure that out. Oh, there it is. There it is. Like I was saying before I messed up, doing these consistently is what's going to be key because it's hard for me to go back into the setup position after I complete one. So that's probably where most of my time is going to go. But I think I'm all warmed up. Let's get started. All right, so I actually just powdered up my hands just to prevent sweating like it usually happens. So, boom, we got that. Got my timer here. You should have your timer on the screen. I don't really think I have any final words. Let's hit that start button. Whew. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. The pressure is getting to me. Ooh. It's weird that this hand is starting to sweat. Not even the hand I'm holding the deck in, the other hand. Oh. Ooh. Alright, we're about halfway done. I don't really know how many cuts I did or how many judo flips I did. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, one more, one more. Yeah, that's all. That's all we got. That's all we got. I have no idea how much it was, but that's all we got. That's all we got. So clearly I made a little bit of a mess here. Let's just sweep that under the table. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Nice, fresh, and clean. But 21 judo flips in 60 seconds. I gotta say, it's not something I'm super proud of, but I expected 20. We got 21, so I'm proud. I'm proud of this team. We did good work today. Make sure to let me know how many judo flips you can do in 60 seconds. And if you have any other ideas for challenges, leave it down in the comments below. And if you guys want to see more 60-second challenges that I took on, make sure to go and check out that playlist. I'll see you there. Peace out. Look at this mess I gotta clean up now. You see what it is? You see what I do here? This is what I do.